Now, Chloe Cat, where's your favorite note? Right before the two black keys. C. Woof, woof. Daisy Dog, where's your favorite note? Right in between the two black keys. In the middle, D's in the middle. Powoo! Ellie Elephant, where's your favorite note? Right after the two black keys. Frankie Frog, where's Frankie's favorite note? It's before the three black keys. F. Ma, where's Gertie Goat's favorite note? Right after F, just after the first of the three black keys. G. Hey, where's Ellie Alligator's favorite note? Chomp, chomp. Right after G, in the middle. A. What about Brownie Bear? Where's your favorite note, Brownie Bear? Roar. Right after the three black keys. B.